Yeah, so we're done with part A and B, and now we're gonna go to part C of this question from the second major non-calc paper in semester 2. So it's when three women separate the girls, so we try to figure out when G, 3W and G, and so what we do is we take the first three bubbles and put them into one big bubble, because from there we can figure out the number of different arrangements in which the women are separated. The women separate the girls, and the total number of bubbles we have is 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you can see, as there's three remaining women, and we call this bubble A. And from this we figure out that G. We know that we're focusing on bubble A right now, and then from this we figure out the total number of arrangements, which is just gonna equal when the two girls are together. Let's call that variable T, and when the girls are separated, we'll call that variable S. And total minus T is equal to S, and S is when they're separated. So that's what we're trying to figure out, and we know that total is going to be equal to 2 factorial times 3 factorial for the number of arrangements for the 2 factorial to the arrangement for the number of girls, the 2 girls, 3 factorial to arrangement for the 3 women, and then of course 3 factorial for the number of spots, right? So those are that's like the total arrangement for that bubble A. But then from there we're trying to figure out T, which is when they're together. So to do that, we just imagine them being in that bubble A, we just imagine the 2 girls being together as GG, and then imagine 2 spots, 1 spot and the second spot. And so 2 factorial times 3 factorial, 1 spot and the second spot. 2 factorial times 3 factorial times 2 factorial, because 2 factorial for the number of girls, 3 for number of women, 2 for the number of spots, and total minus T equals S. So we do this, 2 factorial times, total minus this equals S, and then from this we figure out that 72 minus 24 equals S equals 48, and 48 gets multiplied to we're still talking about the big bubble here, but from this what we do is 48 is the number of arrangements inside that bubble in which the girls are separated by 3 women, but we have to remember to multiply that by 4 factorial, which is the total number of bubbles. So like total number of bubbles, like bubble A and the 3 additional women, which had a bubble of their own. Each of them had a bubble of their own, and when you multiply that, we get 1152 arrangements in which the 2 girls are separated by 3 women.
Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? She got cherry lips, angel eyes. She knows exactly how to tantalize. She's out to get you, danger by design. Cold-blooded vixen, she don't compromise. She's something mystical and color lights. So far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. if you get burned, don't be surprised. You get so fly. Sugar, how you get so fly. Ooh, sweet talking lady, love how you entice. Sugar with just the right amount of spice. Charming, alluring, everyone's desire. She's out to get you, you can run, you can hide. She's something mystical and color lights. So far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, well baby, don't you be so, don't you be so, don't you be so, don't you be so, don't you be so bad. Feeling so gifted, sugar, how you get so fly.